In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view board history in Miro. Miro is a popular online collaborative whiteboarding platform that's widely used for team collaboration, brainstorming sessions, and project planning. Whether you're working on a diverse team spread across the globe or hosting a local brainstorming session, understanding the history of your Miro boards can be incredibly useful. To start, make sure you're logged into your Miro account and you're on the dashboard. When you're ready to dive into the board history, the first action you need to take is to locate the main menu. This menu is essentially your control center on Miro, giving you access to different tools and settings that will guide you through your board experience. Once you've opened the main menu, your next step is to click on Board. The Board option is specifically designed to help you navigate through the different boards you have access to in Miro. It serves as a hub from which you can manage and switch between different projects or collaborative sessions. An important tip here: if you manage multiple boards, make sure you select the correct one where you want to view the history to avoid any confusion. After you've clicked on Board, what you need to do next is to find the History option. The History feature in Miro is quite powerful. It provides an overview of all the updates and changes that have been made to your board. This feature is particularly useful if you'd like to track the progress of a project or if you're trying to identify when certain changes were made. By clicking on History, you get access to a timeline of activities, which helps in maintaining transparency and accountability among team members. While viewing the board history, you'll notice that Miro presents changes with a timestamp and involves information such as who made particular changes. This allows for a detailed view of how the board evolved over time. If there are any changes or contributions you'd like to revisit or revert, this history view can be incredibly handy. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the board history in Miro. By following these steps, you can efficiently keep track of changes and ensure all team members are aligned. Remember, this process helps maintain organization within your projects and provides a clear record of all the collaborative efforts. Using the History tool effectively can transform how you manage projects on Miro, helping to ensure seamless teamwork and documentation. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials to help you make the most out of your Miro experience.